I've got just the thing for you to boost your metabolism in the morning. This is simple but effective. What we're going to do is put in, say, a quarter of a grapefruit together with 1 orange or 3/4 of an orange. I've cut mine into segments, and some chia seeds. These are going to provide protein and essential fatty acids. Probably about 1 to 2 tablespoons is what you want. To that, let's use some coconut milk or coconut water. I've gone with coconut milk this time, and that's going to give it a nice tropical taste and take the edge off the grapefruit. Going to zing it for 30 seconds and then we'll be ready to go. Blood sugar regulation is really important if you want to stay full over a longer period of time, and this smoothie is going to do exactly that for you.